Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today we are making best out of waste and we will make bitter gourd peel ki sabzi. For this we need the skin of bitter gourd, in a pan add 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seed, add 1 teaspoon of fennel seed, add a pinch of asafoetida, mix it, add half a teaspoon of coriander seed, whole coriander seed, cook it for 30 seconds. Now add 1½ very finely chopped onion. Cook onion till transparent. Now add bitter gourd peel और करेले के छिलके. Mix it. Add salt to taste. Mix it again. Cook it for 1 minute. Now cover it and leave it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, mix it again. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix it well. Cover it and leave it for 30 seconds. Mix it again. Now add half a teaspoon of dry mango powder. Mix it. Cook it for another half a minute. And your bitter gourd peel ki sabzi is ready. Thank you.